Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I have a happy mail share I want to share with you guys. I received a surprise in my mailbox this week, and I've been just waiting to get to open it because I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm so excited. This is a complete surprise. My husband went to the mailbox, and when he came back, he had a package for me. And I was like, what? My friend Sharon sent this to me, and I feel so honored to actually have something from her. I think everybody knows Sharon. She does a really beautiful job with her journals, and she has such a beautiful, distinct style. And I think that's one of the things I love most about different. I'm looking. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is what I love so much about the community and about designers and about Sharon also. I love her distinct style. And here is her business card. So take a look at that. She has a very classic, beautiful style. And I love seeing her work because it really, really inspires me. And I really love having her on my design team and seeing all her beautiful makes. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a little, this is what came with the journal. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Look how pretty everything is wrapped up. This is so pretty. I'm definitely using this again. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love how old it is. Isn't that just so pretty? And look how pretty that is, that piece. Oh my gosh. Okay, check out that spine. I love the way that looks. That looks so cool. It feels so old and ancient. I just love it so much. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. So pretty. I love these old. This to me, it reminds me of, I'm from Romania, so when I see postcards like this, it reminds me of Europe, and I just love that so much. Look how pretty the cover is. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love that. So pretty. Ooh, this is so cool. And I love the way she used, she embossed this page like that. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are real stamps. I love that. I think they are. So pretty. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, wait, it goes like this. So cute. And look at the textile. I love this. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, Sharon. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love these. I love that. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at that writing. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is too. Ooh, I love that. I love the embossing. So pretty. Oh my goodness, Sharon. Thank you so much. I feel so honored to have one of her journals. Ooh, look at this. So beautiful. Oh, I love these. Oh my goodness, look at those. So pretty. I love the stitching and all the details. She has such interesting details. Oops, I don't want to. Okay, so this was like that. Okay, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this gets tucked in there. That's really pretty too. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is like a little tuck spot. So cute. The feel of this paper is so nice. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. De la France. That is so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness. I love your rusted paper clip. Oh my gosh. I need to make some more too. This is so pretty. Yeah, it feels like a real stamp, but it looks so real. Like, okay. So pretty. I love this vintage wallpaper too. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So cute. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. I love the way it's off center too. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that photograph. I love old photos so much. So cool. Oh, look at the back of that. That is so cool. So cool. And look at this. Wow. 1915. September 29, 1915. So cool. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. And this is so pretty. I love this. I love the way you did that. Oh my gosh. I love that. It's the... I love that. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is a pressed flower. Oh, so beautiful. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. And then this is so pretty. Oh, oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Sharon. Oh my gosh, everything is so beautiful. And this piece, oh, so pretty. Oops. I'm gonna just be so careful with it. That's really pretty. And so is this. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this image so much. And this is so pretty right here. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's so pretty. So, so pretty. Ooh, look how cool that is. What is this? Oh my gosh. It has such an interesting feel. Sharon always has such like interesting techniques. So yeah, I would love to know what this is. Is that like how it came? Is that a postcard that's just it feels like vinyl, I think. So cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then there's this side. Maybe that was a postcard. I know my sister had some postcards that were made of leather, so that's why I'm wondering if this was actually a postcard. Or if it's, I don't know. Oh, this is really pretty. I love this too. I love the feel of that. It's so pretty. And look how pretty these are. Oh my goodness. Those are so sweet. So pretty. Okay, and then this. Oh my goodness, look at that paper clip. So cool. I love it. I need to rust more paper clips. Those are so cool. Look how cool that is. Oh my goodness. This is really pretty too. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, I like the back. That was really unexpected. I like that. And then this. So pretty. And then this pocket. I love that. Oh, it's so beautiful. So pretty. Like, do I open it? Okay. Does this open? I'm not sure. Oh, it did. Maybe? Maybe not. Isn't that pretty though? It's like a little hidden spot. I love the layers. That's so pretty. And I love that texture. That's really nice. So, so cool. Okay. That's so pretty. And then that tucks in here. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. And then this. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. 1859. Wow. So cool the way they were made back then. Isn't that just so amazing? And then this is so pretty. Oh. I love the feel of this paper. So pretty. Okay, and then, oh, look how pretty this is. I love that. Oh my goodness. Look at that little piece there. So pretty. Okay, and then this. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's like shimmery. So pretty. I love that paper. Look how cute. This is like me and my daughter and my son. That's so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. That is so cool. I love the way that looks. So, so cool. Oh, look how pretty that is. And then this is so old. Wow. That's so pretty. "14th of October." Huh? I love that. Oh my gosh. October is my anniversary. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love that too. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Wow, look at that. And I love this tab. That's really pretty. Oh, I love the way it opens up. I didn't realize that. That's so cool. Oh, and look how pretty this is. I love that. This is really pretty too. Look how nice that is. Oh my goodness, I love that bow right there. So cool. And then this. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love this. And she's so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Sharon. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So pretty. Look how tiny that is. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. And look at this piece. That's so cute. Okay, let's take them off so I can see them better. That's so cute. That's so pretty. And then this. This is really beautiful. And then this. This is so pretty. I love that. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful journal. So pretty. Thank you so much, Sharon. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And it's so inspiring to look through it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I so appreciate it. I just love I love that I own a piece of your work. Oh my gosh. You guys go check Sharon's YouTube account. If you haven't, go check her out. And she has amazing work on there. Guys, go check out her. I'm sure you guys all follow her already, but so pretty. I love this too. This is so pretty with all the pieces. I'm going to have to steal this idea or borrow it, not steal it. With the little pieces right here, the lace and the... I love that so much. So cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found it inspiring. And I hope you guys go and check out Sharon's work if you guys don't follow her already. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.